guys, it's Mrs. Mejia
and Ben.
and today's science experiment is a very bright and colorful one, wouldn't you say? You want to tell them what we need?
So the first things we're going to need are some Skittles.
One item.
Yep, a plate.
2.
And some water.
3. That's it? 3 items?
Yep.
All right, now what?
First, we're going to take the Skittles. And
Check.
then we're going to place them around the plate in a circle.
Now, some questions are coming to mind. Does it matter what color they go in? What order they go in?
Does it? Not.
So I can set it up any way I want?
Yeah, of course.
Wow, we could set it up like a rainbow.
And then I will do a...
There are 2 colors next to each other.
Sorry.
You said we can't do that.
Sorry. Again. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And there we have a circle around the plate. Okay, the next step. We're going to take just a little bit of water. You're not going to use all of this. And then you're going to pour it into the center of the plate. Like that. Then, you're going to wait for something really colorful to happen.
Can I try a little bit?
Yep. Just don't put too much. Ooh. Get some color.
Open that line right here so we can... Look what's happening.
Ooh, look, we're getting some progress. So, the colors are spreading out from every single Skittle. See? So now you can see the colors spreading out from each individual Skittle. Maybe it's like the food coloring in the Skittle.
Food
or
coloring, the sugar, the dye. Yeah, look at the perfect circle it's making in the middle.
And it's going to close up and then they're all going to meet.
It's kind of beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. Ooh.
This is so pretty. I kind of see us blowing a little too hard. Look what's happening.
Yeah, the colors.
Wow, look, they finally met in the middle.
That's cool, huh?
That's beautiful. So, you guys can try this at home. You just need a bag of Skittles, a plate, and some water.
Only 3 things.
3 things. And maybe practice doing it several times with a couple different designs. Or
Don't make a mess.
Don't make a mess. And the best part is, you get to eat the leftovers after dinner.
After dinner.
You want to mess it up and see what happens?
Sure.
Swirl it around.
Whoa.
That's so cool.
All the colors are mixing. Now pretty much all you can see are the darker ones, like red and purple.
It's kind of created one murky color.
Yeah.
Like an orangey, brownish.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, we hope you enjoyed that science experiment. Tune in next time to our next science experiment. Until then, bye.
Bye.
Mrs. Mejia and Ben signing out.
You thought this was over, didn't you? Okay, bye guys. Wash your hands and stay safe. Also, make sure to check out our next science experiment video. Also, subscribe. Bye.